Hey everyone, this is Sarah, and welcome to RGB Tech. Today we're checking out the latest version of Horizon Emulator 3.0. This is one of the most powerful PC emulators that lets you run Windows applications and games right on your Android device. In this update, they've added some new features and improvements that I'll cover in detail. But first, an important note. Make sure not to download any fake Horizon Emulator apps that you might find on the Google Play Store or other sites, as they're not official. Horizon is an open-source Windows emulator for Android and is known for its top-notch performance. Now, on to the system requirements. You'll need at least Android 9 or above, a 64-bit mobile CPU, and a GPU with turnip support. Keep in mind, it only works on Snapdragon devices, and the good news is that root access isn't required. To get started, head over to the Releases page and download the Horizon version 3 package file. Don't forget to also download the Input Bridge package for controller support. I've already installed both apps, so let's open Horizon Emulator. The user interface remains the same as before. Alright, now go to Download section. Here you need to update all these required packages, which are very important to start the container system. So in this video, I'll be using the latest Wine 9.16 staging version. The installation process will take long. You need a bit patience. After everything is done, go to Settings. To X11 Settings, set display resolution to exact. Set resolution based on your device performance. Always prefer lower for better performance. Enable stretch to fit display. Leave other settings to default. You don't need to change them. Now to environment settings, here create a new preset. Scroll down, here set build big block value to 0. Go down to Wine variables. Yeah, here you can also set video memory size to GTA 5. If you are using 8 gigs RAM or above, you set to 1 gigabyte, or if you are using 6 gigs, then 512, but may not work properly, so set the video memory. Also set CPU cores to all 8 cores. Video memory is set to no limit. Alright, here, disable services startup process. Enable maximum processor frequency to boost performance. Yeah, here, Mango HUD is already enabled. If you want to see the frame times, CPU usage, or whatsoever on screen. If you want, you can also enable DXVK HUD meter, or if you don't want any meter stuff, just go up here and disable it. Let's go to down. Alright, everything is already set. Also, to be sure that the max size of shader cache is set to 1 gig. Alright, these are the main presets settings. Now get back. Go to Containers section, create new container. Set environment preset, which we create now. Box 64 to latest version with AVX support. Set DXVK version. Turnip driver to Horizon driver, or you can choose another version that works fine for your device. Set Vulkan Direct 3D to 2.13. Leave others to default. Now done. Alright, we are now completely ready. Now start the container. For the first time, it will take 1 to 2 minutes to boot system. Alright, it's booted. The interface looks same as usual. No big changes except some new driver updates. Now to Wine configuration. Right here, it's already set to Windows 10. Alright guys, now it's time to test some games. But wait a minute, what about input controls? Now open Input Bridge, enable permission. Create a profile, or if you already installed and created profile, then mostly no need. So here I'll import the controller file for the game. Okay, now to Gamepad section. Here you can instantly connect and use physical game controllers to your phone, like if you have keyboard, mouse, or any PS controller or whatever. Alright, and there we go. The input bridge gets configured.
Get down there! Alright, everybody pays attention. No one gets hurt. Go! Open the door! They'll get worse than hurt! Hey! Hey! Ah! Come on! Finally! Don't do anything! Let's go! Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Come on! Hands behind your back!
Come on, mister. We're giving you everything you want.
Don't even think about it!
I'll do it. Oh, God.
Get in there!
Sit tight! I'll handle the blasting!
Don't blow yourself up! Listen up!
All set! Phone it in!
I'm calling it.
Call already!
All right.
Now, I'm going to test one of my favorite games, Moving Out. Sure, it's a smaller game, but it's actually pretty intensive when you check out the usage stats. The FPS hits more than 100 here.
Smooth moves. We move and groove. I don't know anything about moving furniture. Well, you're in luck. This training module will provide all the necessary. Picking up objects is an essential moving technique. We've tried kicking them, but this way is much faster. Did you know jumping was invented by the Vikings? Moving solo? No problem. Lift heavy objects with your back. You can also throw items, but don't worry, these boxes are trained for this. Nice.
Anyways, that's all for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to RGB Tech. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Sarah, signing off. Thanks for watching.